Dual-head desktop fan design brings a noticeable upgrade compared to standard single-blade table fans, especially when it comes to distributing airflow more evenly across a wider area. With two independently positioned fan heads, it allows you to direct cooling in multiple directions at once, making it ideal for shared desks, small rooms, or personal cooling during hot weather. The portable structure makes it easy to carry between home, office, or even outdoor spaces, and its compact footprint ensures it does not take up too much space on a table or bedside setup. The airflow performance feels stronger than expected for its size, providing a refreshing breeze that helps reduce heat quickly during long working or studying hours. The fan is designed with user comfort in mind, offering quiet operation that makes it suitable for nighttime use or environments where low noise is important, such as libraries or office meetings. Even at higher speed settings, the sound remains controlled, which adds to its practicality for daily use. The portable build, often supported by rechargeable battery functionality, gives freedom from constant power connection, allowing you to place it wherever cooling is needed without worrying about cables limiting movement. Charging via USB adds convenience, making it compatible with power banks, laptops, and adapters. Another strong advantage is its adjustable positioning, which helps users fine-tune airflow direction depending on personal preference. Whether placed on a desk while working, beside a bed while sleeping, or even used in outdoor relaxation spaces, it adapts easily to different environments. The dual-head system enhances personal cooling efficiency, especially in warmer climates where consistent airflow is necessary. Build quality feels solid enough for everyday use, and the overall design focuses on practicality rather than unnecessary complexity. For anyone looking for a compact yet powerful cooling solution, this dual-head desktop fan stands out as a reliable option that balances portability, quiet performance, and effective airflow distribution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.